Right, now we've got our machine completely set up. We're just going to run through some of the basic everyday operations and then do a end of day Z report. All of our operations are done in the register mode, so we turn the key around to reg and we start off with 0.00 on the display. In our setup we did put some prices on a couple of the buttons. So to register an item we simply press a button. In this case is our pot of tea for $3. For some of the other ones we haven't put a price against it, so they are open prices. So we're going to put in a $25 sale to our department button here, 2500. Okay, and press the button. You'll notice I did not use the decimal point. We never use decimal points on cash registers. They are purely for programming. We enter the price without the decimal. So in this case, if we're registering another open price for $6.50, we would just go 650 and press our department key. We then press subtotal, which gives us the total of the sale. If the customer gives you a $50 note to pay for the sale, we enter 5000, enter cash. The cash drawer opens, a receipt is produced for the customer, and the change is displayed on the screen. Like so. The next thing we're going to look at is a little simple exercise in error correction. Sometimes when we're using the cash register, we may enter something in incorrectly. For example, if we press the pot of tea, like so, and we just realised we did not want that item. In fact, we've got the error call button here. It's actually shared with the cancel button, and I'll show you what the difference is in a minute. But the error correct removes the last item you rung up, which is $3, which was our pot of tea. You can then enter against the correct department. Okay, we're going to subtotal and cash that one off, like so. Now, if we've made a mistake on the entirety of the sale, or if the customer cannot pay, you can actually remove everything, which is called the cancel function, and start again. To give you an example, we might bring up a few items like so, a few pots of tea, a couple of other things, and we press subtotal, it comes to $12.50. Now at that stage, perhaps the customer has an issue with their card, they can't pay, perhaps we just made a mistake as we were learning and we just want to start again. After you press subtotal, you can then press the error correct cancel, and that produces the cancel function. So after the subtotal, it removes everything you did beforehand, and basically starts you back at 0. We press clear and we're ready to start the entries again. Of course, you can always open your drawer at any time outside of a sale by pressing the no sale button. If you simply need to get change or you need to pay something out of the till, you can use the no sale feature. That's the basic operation of the register. We're now just going to show you how to produce your end of day report. To do that, we have to move our key around to the Z position. Okay, and on our display it shows daily Z report. We simply press the cash button. After that, the cash drawer opens, your complete end of day report is printed. That will show you your departmental sales, it will show you your total sales, it will show you your cash in drawer. This is what you use to balance to your till. It will show you any adjustments that have been made, which are a good idea to check out. Any cancels or voids are just good for security and management control.